All right, welcome. This is Cursor AI, a AI development studio to develop code using AI different models. What I'm going to do today is just highlight how to use the different chat modes that it has in here. So you can hit this drop-down list under where it says to plan or build your commands. You can pick what mode it's in, and the mode will determine um, what it actually does. So ask is like your basic chatbot. Plan, it will actually plan out the tasks, create a separate markdown file that'll actually show the plan, but it won't actually do anything. Agent mode actually creates folders and files and does the actual coding for you. So I'm going to start just going through these. So I'm going to start in the ask mode and give it a prompt here. Say I want a basic website for a roofing company. I want a call to action and a list of services with some example reviews, and ask it what else should I add. And I'm going to go ahead and give it in here and see what it says. So I created an empty workspace. It's an empty test folder for it to work in. Right now it's giving me a bunch of responses to my questions. And I can review through here. It makes a lot of good notes. So I like it. I'm going to go to plan and say, all right, let's plan this out. So now I'm in plan mode, which is this different yellow. Before I think the ask was in green. So now it's going to ask me some questions here. It has for me structure. I still want it to be a single page, and company details. Just use a placeholder for this example. I'm going to go ahead and tell it to continue. So during the planning phase, if it runs into any questions, it'll stop and ask you for your input. All right, so now we have a plan created. So it'll tell me, what its goals are, the folder structure. So it looks like it has a HTML file, a CSS file, and a JavaScript file. It'll show me the basic structure, and I can review all this, and if I like it or want to make any changes, I can just type it in here. Or if I'm good to go, I can just switch to agent mode and say, build it. Or I can just click this build button here, tell it to build plan, and it'll get to work. So it'll start working on the 4 to-do list here.